Tesla Summon is an advanced feature that allows your Model X to autonomously move short distances without you inside the vehicle. It uses Tesla's advanced systems to navigate and avoid obstacles, making it easier to park or retrieve your car from a distance. Summon has two modes. Remote Move gives you precise manual control through the Tesla app, allowing you to position the car exactly where you need it. Smart Summon navigates the car to you semi-autonomously, using AI to find the best path while avoiding obstacles. The system relies on Tesla's vision technology, incorporating multiple cameras and sensors to scan the environment and detect potential obstacles in real time. With the latest full self-driving supervised updates, Summon integrates Tesla's advanced AI models for improved obstacle detection and navigation in complex environments. Remember, Summon requires active driver supervision at all times for safety. You must remain within 5 feet of the vehicle and be ready to override commands instantly. To use Summon, you need an active, full self-driving supervised subscription. This is a premium feature that requires a separate subscription through your Tesla account. Activate full self-driving supervised through either the Tesla mobile app or directly in your vehicle's settings menu. In the app, navigate to your vehicle controls and enable FSD supervised. In the car, access the settings menu on the touchscreen. Ensure your Model X is in park mode before attempting to use Summon. This safety feature prevents the vehicle from moving while the system initializes autonomous functions. Make sure the area around the car is clear of obstacles. Summon uses sensors and cameras to detect and avoid hazards, but it's essential to visually confirm the path is safe before proceeding. Verify in your Tesla settings that Summon is enabled. This usually involves navigating to the autopilot or FSD settings and confirming the feature is active. You may need to acknowledge safety warnings and confirm you're aware of the responsibilities. Remote Move lets you precisely control your Model X's movement using the Tesla app. This feature is ideal for parking in tight spaces or aligning your vehicle for charging. To use Remote Move, open the Tesla app on your smartphone and select the Summon option. From the Summon menu, choose Remote Move to access the precise control interface. Once in Remote Move mode, use the on-screen directional controls to move your vehicle forward or backward as needed. For safety, always stay within 5 feet, 1.5 meters, of your Model X and maintain a clear view of its surroundings. Be prepared to override the controls at any moment if needed. Smart Summon allows your Tesla Model X to navigate to your location in a parking lot or driveway. First, open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Next, select the Summon option from the app menu. Then, choose Smart Summon from the available options. Set your desired destination, which is your current location. The car will use its sensors and cameras to navigate to you, avoiding obstacles along the way. Monitor its progress closely and be prepared to stop it if necessary. Remember, this feature is still in beta and requires your full attention. Safety is paramount when using Summon. Always remain within 5 feet, 1.5 meters, of your Model X during operation. Maintain a clear line of sight and be ready to override immediately. Summon may not work reliably in heavy rain, snow, or in areas with poor visibility. Be extra cautious in parking garages or areas with pedestrians and cyclists. Always double-check the car's surroundings before initiating Summon. Summon has several important limitations to understand. First, it may struggle with temporary obstacles, such as construction barriers or signs that weren't part of the original environment mapping. Second, Summon's performance can degrade significantly in challenging weather conditions like heavy rain, fog, snow, or extreme temperatures that affect sensor visibility. Third, be aware of potential cybersecurity risks. Since Summon uses app-based controls, it could be vulnerable to hacking, potentially allowing unauthorized access to vehicle movement. Fourth, the car's sensors may not always detect all obstacles, particularly small or low-lying objects such as curbs, debris, or uneven surfaces that could affect movement. Finally, stay informed about software updates from Tesla. They frequently release improvements that address safety concerns and enhance Summon's performance and reliability. If Summon isn't working, first ensure your full self-driving subscription is active and up to date. Next, check your internet connection. as the Tesla app requires a stable connection to communicate with the vehicle. Make sure your car is in park mode and that all doors are fully closed before attempting to use Summon. If you encounter errors, try restarting the Tesla app on your phone. If that doesn't work, reboot the car's touchscreen by holding the power button. If problems continue despite these steps, contact Tesla support through the app or website for further assistance. Tesla continues to improve Summon with over-the-air software updates. Future enhancements may include integration with smart city infrastructure for better navigation, such as V2X communication for traffic light synchronization. The long-term goal is fully unsupervised Summon pending regulatory approval, potentially by 2027-2028. As battery electric vehicle adoption increases, projected at 20% of new car sales by 2026, features like Summon will become even more important for enhancing usability. However, it's crucial to balance innovation with stringent safety standards to address ethical concerns like cybersecurity risks and liability gaps.